Alright guys, today we're doing a total of 4 areas. They already pre-vacuumed for us and moved everything out of the way, as you guys know. See there, through this hallway, living room, this hallway, and then this master bedroom. So they did move everything for us and they pre-vacuumed, and then after this cleaning, we do consider the hallways to be an area. So we got 4 areas at $60 per area, and then we also are going to reapply the carpet protector. So we're going to do that, and as you guys know, you probably hear in other videos, we charge half the cost of cleaning, so it's $30 per area. So she wants 3 areas done, so that's $90. So we're going to get that done for her before the holidays. And she's had a baby, so of course she wants everything to be clean and pristine. So that's what we're doing here today for them, getting ready for Thanksgiving. All right, guys. Of course, we're gonna go to the hallway entrance in here, so that's gonna be no problem. So, all right, guys, this is the walkthrough. Stay tuned for the results. As always, thanks for watching. Beautiful. All right, guys, just got done. As you can see, we got Noma. She's applying the Scotch Guard now to protect the fibers. Check it out, guys. Beautiful. Client's gonna love it. It smells divine in here. Got the hallway, got the living room, and of course this area right here, and all as well. All right, guys. Stay tuned to hear her testimonial. And again, as always, thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing your first look. How's it look?
Looks awesome.
Thank you, thank
How
you.
was it?
Oh, it was definitely in need of some attention.
Probably more here, right?
Yeah, high traffic here is typical, common. But yeah, everything was suspended, everything removed, and we did protect it for you. Let it dry.
That I walk on
Yeah. Yep. Everything we use is organic. But hey, now you and your home and family are protected.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
Really nice.
Thank you.